Hi. I get this question a lot. What is a naturopathic doctor? So I'm here to tell you what it is. A naturopathic doctor is an expert in natural medicine. So we attend 4 years of naturopathic medical training. There's 4 accredited universities in the US, and we learn all of the basic sciences and clinical nutrition. We pass boards for pharmacology. We learn everything from nutrition, homeopathy, biochemistry, physical medicine, Chinese medicine, so much more. I learned minor surgery, botanicals and herbs, and environmental medicine. So we are trained in a plethora of natural therapies and understanding the body and getting to the root cause of disease. I just came across this little brochure. I was cleaning out my office. This was the first brochure I ever came across and learned about naturopathic medicine. It's from the American Association of Naturopathic Medicine. So you can look them up if you want to learn more about finding an accredited naturopathic doctor. So that's where it gets a little confusing, is there are a lot of people out there that call themselves naturopaths. A naturopath can be anybody that took a little online course and they learned some herbal medicine or maybe some diet counseling or something, and they can call themselves a naturopath. There's a couple online classes and different colleges that offer them, and they offer a naturopath degree. That is not an accredited 4-year medical school that did undergrad plus medical school and received a doctorate in naturopathic doctor and actually has clinical training and worked in a clinic. So they're 2 totally different things. So I do recommend, if you are out there wanting to work with a naturopathic doctor, that you look at their bio and see where they graduated. Was it one of the 4-year accredited schools, or did they just get an online degree? I think that makes a huge difference. But with this little brochure here, I was going to read you something. It says naturopathic medicine blends century-old natural non-toxic therapies with current advances in the study of health and human systems, covering all aspects of family health from prenatal to geriatric care. A naturopathic physician, also known as an ND, is an expert in natural medicine. Naturopathic medicine concentrates on the whole patient wellness. The medicine is tailored to the patient and emphasizes prevention and self-care. Naturopathic medicine attempts to find the underlying cause of the patient's condition rather than focusing solely on symptomatic treatment. For example, congestion might be caused by a food allergy or an environmental factor. A naturopathic physician would focus and treat on these causal factors, not suppress the symptoms with anti-congestions or decongestions. Naturopathic physicians cooperate with all branches of medical science, referring patients to other practitioners for diagnosis when appropriate. And then it says what types of medicine here, because I forget how much I learned in naturopathic school. I love environmental medicine. I really got into nutrition. That was my jam, and I loved environmental medicine and understanding the liver and detox. I also loved physical medicine and Chinese medicine, so the energy and what's going on physically with the body, understanding the spine and nerves and our central nervous system and how stress affects that, and posture and exercise. So, but we learn clinical nutrition, homeopathy, which I want to talk about this just for 1 second, because a lot of people I say, oh yeah, I'm a naturopathic doctor. They say, oh, you're a homeopath. And I know y'all don't know the difference. I kind of laugh under my breath, because a homeopath is totally different from a naturopathic doctor. So homeopathy is a different form of medicine. It's more of an energy medicine. Homeo is like, homeopathy like cures like, and they're basically taking the energy of a substance. For example, I always use an onion for an example. So if you were to chop open an onion and put it in front of you, touch it, feel it, smell it, what would happen? What would that like substance do when you just touched it in nature in its natural state? Well, it would probably make your eyes really watery, your nose really watery, like burning sensation. So the onion is Allium cepa. That's the name of it in the Latin name. And so when you have that like substance, and that's how it actually reacts in nature in its natural state, what they do in homeopathy is they actually dilute that substance, and it gets diluted in a solution and basically diluted and diluted and diluted. It's literally like having a huge pool in your backyard and you're taking like 1 drop of that substance, and then that's what you give your body. So it's the energy of the original substance, and then that goes into your body and it can create, rebalance. It can suppress symptoms. So it's basically like a little tiny bit. In a way, it's not necessarily vaccine level because it's not having the actual constituent, the molecular constituents in the homeopathy pellets or drops that you put under your tongue. It's usually the energy from the original substance. So homeopathy is a whole nother ballgame. I was trained in it. I loved it. I actually was pretty good at it, but it's not my primary form of helping people. So some naturopathic doctors, that's all they do is homeopathy, and some of them are amazing at it. That was not really what I resonated with, but I still love it. I use it every now and then if I'm in with a consult and I'm feeling a homeopathic dose of, or a remedy comes to mind, I will recommend it and send people out. For example, I had a patient the other day with eczema and I recommended sulfur. So I do use it here and there. So anyway, homeopathy, clinical nutrition, botanical medicine, where I'm trained in herbs, herbology, love my herbs and my herbal formulas, physical medicine, natural childbirth. I actually did have to do a rotation and be there at a natural childbirth. It was awesome. Oriental medicine and acupuncture, counseling and stress management, also minor surgery. So we have a ton of training. Not many people realize that. And then the principles of naturopathic medicine are the healing power of nature, identify and treat the cause, first do no harm, doctor as a teacher. That's docere. Docere in Latin means to teach. So most doctors, they used to do this. They were teachers. So I think we've kind of lost that in conventional medicine. Treat the whole person, and then prevention. So naturopathic medicine is committed to the creation of a healthy world in which humanity may thrive. So, I may scan this. It's a great little flyer, or you can probably go to the American Association of Naturopathic Medicine and download it yourself. But hopefully, if you did not understand what naturopathic medicine is and what all we can provide to you, now you do. So feel free to shoot me a DM, or if you have any questions more about my training, or if you're wondering if I can help you, I would love to hear from you. So shoot me a DM or comment below. So y'all take care. Have a great day. See you next time.